Hello everyone, my name is Thắng.
My name is Nhung.
Both of us are students at University of Technology and Education. Our major is Mechanical Engineering. Today, we make this clip to introduce to you a multi-tool. It's very helpful in mechanical engineering as well as in the electricity sector. That's a multifunctional screwdriver. There are many kind of this. We are holding one now. So now we will open up and let's see what inside.
Wow, wow! As you can see, there are a lot of different kind of screwdriver around, and in the center we have a handle to set the heat screwdriver. You can see it have many kind with each shape they have provide specific view. I will take off it to preview for you. First thing I am holding a screwdriver with two angles, and here this is a screwdriver with four angles. They are common use. They can use with small type of bowl, for example the type of power tools such as rollers, fuses, switches. Secondly, this is a triangular screwdriver which is used for an old triangular screw. This is uncommon tool, but you still can find it in mechanical shop. The third is pinhole screwdriver, which is used for take out SIM of smartphone. Fourth, hexagonal heat screwdriver, which is used for take out a hexagonal bowl, for example bowl keep to holder as milling machine. There are many used for different purposes.
Alright, I hope I have many time to show you other tool. In my conclusion, I think this real driver is useful and necessary in mechanical engineering machine.
Especially many people who study in mechanical engineering machine like me should buy one for any purpose. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.